Hi guys, Dima here once again. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will be walking you through the best gear in terms of producing your video content, whether on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or any other platform as the case may be. So this is actually from my research, both from my experience and from my fellow YouTubers, and we can all agree that this is actually the best gear when it comes to value to cost balance. So make sure to stick to the end. So let's get straight to the intro and get started. Okay, guys. Now, before we head on to what we have today, now, like I said, I'll be showing you the perfect gear in terms of cost to value balance. And then right about the time of recording this video, all the equipments will be listing in this video. I think they're pretty much as of the time of the research though, because I made the research quite some time, then I'm making this video now. So in between, I don't know, but then as of the time of research, everything was less than within the $1,000 mark. It's actually good to find a perfect gear, understand, because depending on the kind of content you'll be producing, whether it's gonna be the kind of content production that require you showing your face, especially that's where you'll be needing this gear. And then there are other form of content and video content production that doesn't involve you showing your face, like the one I do here. I post YouTube, tutorial videos here on YouTube where I share my screen and show everything I'm doing. So that doesn't require me showing my face. Another form of video content production that doesn't involve you showing your face, if you're doing something like infographic show or some kind of documentary, this stuff just involve you editing videos and then showing people what you have, and it doesn't just boil down to you. But then there are some other form of contents that involve you showing your face, recording yourself, and then a lot of people are quite into that. So in whatever platform you're going to be doing that, whether on YouTube, TikTok, or as the case may be Instagram or whatever, you'll be needing a good gear. And then for those who don't know, a gear is actually it actually means the set of equipment which you'll be using for your recording. So it matters a lot. And when it comes to recording, there are three things that matters most, and all the equipments we're discussing in this video all boil down to these three things, and getting the best out of it. And those three things are audio, video, and light. When it comes to recording, you have to get the audio right, you have to get the video right, and you have to get the light in. Very important, guys. So that's what we're going to be talking. That's just basically recording for you guys. So now that's why I specifically made a good research, and I chose this equipment, this gear, as the best in terms of, not only in terms of cost, in terms of value too. You'll be getting value for the cost, because believe me, $1,000 is a good price when it comes to setting up a gear that can actually start up your YouTube career or your video content production career on. So it's very nice. It's not much. It's something, especially when you're looking to build a brand or a business, or just build something off content production on a platform. I think it's good to start up on the right foot. So that's why I'll be doing this. They are not actually the costless in the market, but then, as like I said, value and cost. To get the value for the cost. So it's just that best, the best gear in terms of these two things when comparing it from these two perspectives. So now the first on our list is obviously the camera. So you need a good camera for recording. So here we have the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless and vlogging camera. Now I love this camera a lot. I love this camera, especially for the fact that it comes with Canon. It has a lot of things here. It's a very good camera. A lot of YouTubers use it, I'm sure of that. And right about now, it's just about 649, just $650 as of the time of recording this video. And it has it comes with a full set. You understand? It's like a full set. So, and by the way, before I go on, the links to getting these equipment will be down in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. So when you use that link and you purchase these equipments or anything, we get the commission. It helps the channel a lot. So I really much appreciate it if you actually use the link if you use the link to get anything at all about this equipments or anything at all on Amazon for the next 24 hours, we're going to get a little bit of commission, and it helps the channel a lot. So I appreciate it a lot if you actually use our links to get your products from Amazon. So, but if you don't want to use it, it's quite okay. I'm here to teach you what you actually need. So however you want to go about it, it's totally your choice. So, and I understand that. So let's continue. So now, like I said, it comes with the full kit, so you can make your choices. I think this is the black color. This is the black. Yes, this is the black, and I think that's pretty much what you need, because most cameras, most people prefer the black color of cameras. So that's it for the camera. So let's go over to the microphone. Well, remember I told you guys we do have three things in mind: the audio, the video, the light. So we've talked about the video, which is the camera. Now let's talk about the audio. And in terms of audio, recording good audio, you need a good microphone, which is why I recommend the Rode microphone, the Rode lightweight on camera microphone. Now what I like about this is it's actually a shotgun microphone, and shotgun microphones are actually good at picking your voice out from the background. Like if you're some kind of noisy background, it helps pick your voice out. Understand? So the nature of the microphone is actually configured to pick your voice out from this. Another thing I like about this this microphone is that you can actually attach it to your camera. Yes, you can actually attach it to your camera, and that's a very nice feature idea, guys. So that's it. It goes for around $96 now. As of the point of recording this video, it's not expensive. I've seen a lot of microphones cost way more than $100, but getting this at $96 is a pure steal. So guys, that's it for the microphone. So let's go over to the next, which is the light. Yes, I told you, audio video light. So now what we have here is the Fovitec to Fluorescent studio lighting. Now I love this a lot. It comes in sets 2, so that you can actually have one, let's say, on your right and the other one at your left, so that you have that light coming in. Guys, you need that light coming, because with that light, everything is basically you're not going to have a good quality video. So you need to get those lights in. I love this a lot. I love this Fovitec. I think it's the best for me out there in terms of lightning and fluorescent lightning kit. So like I said, it comes with two. And right now it costs right around $99. Can just call it $100. So getting these two sets of fluorescent studio lightning at less than $100 is also a steal for me. Like I said, I've done my full analysis and full research, and I'm giving you the best products right now at the best price. So go over to Amazon and get it. They're all getting them at a steal, guys. So that's it for it. Now the other things I'll be that's it for the audio, video, and light. So the other things I'll be laying down here is like the accompanying equipment here and there. Like in this case, we have the Ravelli lightweight aluminum tripod. This is your camera stand. If there's a need for you to use a camera stand, obviously in most cases you need a camera stand to actually position your camera at the right to get the right angle while recording. So you need a good camera stand. So, and also if you're recording outside in stand, it just basically helps you mount your camera. So we have various variation of this. We have the 5-tray, we have 6.1 inches, we have 7.2. So they all come at their own various prices. And I think 5-tray, which is the one most people go for, is right about $22 right now. So I usually recommend this Ravelli tripod. That's what most people go for. It's actually good quality and actually helps you get the best angles for while recording your video. So that's it for the camera stand, the tripod stand, that's the case maybe. So let's go over to the microphone stand. Yes, we've talked about what you your video stand, which is a camera stand, and now we're talking about the audio stand, which is a microphone stand. Now this is the InnoGear microphone stand, and it comes with a full kit for recording your audio. You can see it comes with a pop filter. You can see the pop filter right here. You can see the pop filter, very important for reaching out the P's and S while recording. So you can what I like about this is that you can pretty much mount it at any point. You can mount it at any place, whether on your decks or as a case may be. So that's it for the InnoGear microphone stand. I love this a lot because it comes with these things. They come in kits. That's why I like. So you're not just when you're just getting the full kits, guys. So and that's for me. That's awesome for me, guys. So that's it for the microphone stand. So let's go over to the next one. So next one is actually, yes, the lavalier microphone. Now this lavalier microphone is most important if you're going to be recording far away from your camera. Like let's say you have your camera at a distance, and you're gonna be recording at a distance from your camera. Yes, so you need some wired sort of camera, because let's say your shotgun microphone might not be able to spot your voice from that distance. You might not get the best audio quality from that distance. So this helps you get some wired mic, and then you can actually record from a distance. This actually, you have seen it most times, especially with newscasters and doing interviews. You understand? So you might have seen on TV doing interviews, and then you might be wondering, these guys are using microphone. Where's the heck is the microphone? This is actually what they are using. So since the cameraman or the video guy is a bit far from them, they actually have some sort of wired little wired microphone, which you can clip in your clothes, and it could actually get the audio, a nice audio, guys. So that's what this is all about. It helps you get the, as you can see the woman here in the picture. You can see the microphone is going. You aren't seeing any form of microphone, but she's actually with a microphone. She sees Lavalier microphone, and it's clipped right. Watch my cursor, is clipped right in her cloth. So that's how it works, and then you get the best audio quality despite staying far away from your camera. So it's actually nice, especially doing interviews. And that's it for the Lavalier microphone. If you're going to be recording a bit further from you, listen, it's right about nice. It's around about 14.95. That's less than $15 for this, and it's a steal for me, guys. It's a steal, guys. So the next one is actually, yes, let's see what we have here. Yes, now this is a Canon battery pack. Now depending on where you are, I don't know the country you are, might be living in a country where power outage is a problem, or even if you're not in a country where power outage is a problem. Now here's the thing, you don't want your camera to go off right in the middle of recording. You don't want that. So you need to have a backup battery to fall back to instant, especially when your camera goes down and there's no quick place to charge it or something like that. You just need to get that spare battery in and then continue doing your work. So you'll be needing this, guys. It's just $58 at the point of recording this video. You'll be needing this. Very, very important. It's a spare battery for our video camera. So that the Canon camera we talked about earlier on, this is a spare battery. So you need a spare battery pack in case you get your camera battery runs down, just especially right in the middle of recording. So you need to get that and continue work ASAP. So you'll be needing this, guys. That's why I added it here. There's a lot of things people don't add, and it frustrates them, especially during this, because most times it most definitely happen. Sometimes your camera will go off right in the middle of this, and you can't start going around looking for way to charge it. The whole ideas of recording you might lose your whole idea of recording, and you might lose the motivation to record even. So it's better when these kind of things happen, you just get the spare battery in and then continue what you're doing immediately ASAP. So that's I find this very, very handy. So make sure to get that too. So the next is a memory card. Yes, very, very important. Very, very, very important. The memory card is actually, when you're recording, you need a memory card. That's where your recording goes into. So they can actually take the raw file from your camera and actually go over to your PC to edit it. So this is what you use. You use a memory card, and this is a SanDisk. I love SanDisk. Is my number one SD card out there. So this is a SanDisk Ultra memory card. As you all know, there are a lot of memory spaces for this. We have the 32 GB, and it goes for right about 9.9, just $10. We have the 32 GB 3-pack, we have the 64 GB, we have 128, we have 256. So anything you want, there's always going to be some free. This is paramount. This is also, it's not even a choice, because you can't just record. While recording on your camera, you need some form of storage to record the file into, and then also to take that file from your camera to your PC where you edit. So this is actually what you'll be needing. You'll be needing this. You must be needing this if you're going to be recording via camera and then editing on your system. So that's it for the SanDisk, and that's where the full gear comes on it. So this is what you'll be needing. I have done the whole research for you. Just basically need to just get these stuffs, understand? So if you want to kickstart your video content production career, then this is definitely what you'll be needing. I don't set the rules here, I don't make the rules. You can still choose to get other products in it, but like I said, I've done my research based on my own experience in this YouTube field, and then from fellow YouTubers too. So I think there are a lot of things people agree on, and most of us agree on most equipment we have here, especially the camera, the Canon camera, the audio, and then the lighting, the Fovitec light kit. I think these three things, we all agree that these three things are there. And then the other ones are just accompanying equipment, especially the SD card, which I found very, very paramount too, and then the spare battery pack for the Canon. You know, we have is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 equipments here, and then, like I said, as of the time of research, as the time of research, all the equipments here, the standard equipments, they cost less than $1,000 as of the time of the research. So $1,000 to get a full YouTube gear, a full video gear, that's a steal for me, guys. Believe me, things are expensive now. So $1,000 to get, just as in to get the full kit, everything you need to start off your video content product. And they are not even inferior product. Like I said, the best value at the best price. $1,000 for that is a steal for me, guys. So I don't know for you, but the earlier, I don't know the time you're going to be watching it, but the earlier you actually grab these equipments at this price, then the better, because inflation happens and you never know what the price of things are going to be tomorrow in the market. And like I said, the links to getting all these, I've made it simple. It's going to be in the description below. You just click the link and it takes you to each individual product, and I've also specified each individual product also in the description box below. So just do that. And like I said, they are affiliate links, so if you're using them, they help the channel a lot. They help us a lot to get a little commission from Amazon and little rewards. So it's going to help the channel a lot if you use this link, not only to get these products. If you use this link to get any product at all in the next 24 hours, you're actually helping the channel. So it's basically a way of helping us without you're actually doing much. So we really appreciate that, guys. So that's it for this video. Remember, we're always giving you the best. We're always looking for what you guys need, and we're actually putting it out there. So if you like the kind of content we put out here, kindly smash the like button. Very, very important. Like our videos. It actually helps YouTube algorithm recommend our videos to a whole lot more people, because someone is actually looking for this. So it will go a long way to helping this video reach to that person, and also enable to hit the subscribe button, and then something and enable the notification so they can actually get notified anytime we drop awesome content like this. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Remember, stay safe always. Peace.